out of 197 countries of the world, 2 are not listed in or not in part of UN. So if you say UN countries, 195. So out of that 100 countries, in 100 countries, about 2.6 billion people are affected by this land degradation and desertification. In terms of the land, almost 1/3 of the land of the globe is affected by this evil land degradation. And same thing is in India also. In India is also about same thing. Maybe around 1/3 or 1/4, you can tell better the latest figure. Because Dr. Parmar is the person who is now working on this. You know what happens? When degraded land is there and people still depend on that, that means they further degrade. They will further degrade that land, and that number is about 1.5 billion globally. And another alarming thing is that about 12 million hectare land is lost every year because of this land degradation and desertification. You can imagine how we are losing our land in terms of the magnitude. 45% of Africa is degraded. Land degradation or desertification. Similarly, is Asia and Europe, same thing. And India, as I said, about 1/3 or 1/4 is undergoing land degradation. Next, please. Next. There is a general confusion among the people that whether desertification and land degradation, they are different and same. So the answer is they are different, they are not same. Desert is basically they are created by climate. If you go to Jaisalmer, you will say desert. It is because of the climatic condition. Whenever the precipitation is, or you can say the evaporation becomes more than the precipitation, those areas are called as hyper-desertification by United Nations is land degradation in dry lands. That means if land degradation happens in dry land areas, like this Ahmedabad also comes in semi-arid, it is a dry land area. So it is called as desertification. But it happens in other areas other than dry land areas, then it is land degradation. So desertification is a subset of land degradation. There are formal definition of land degradation, that is the reduction in loss of agricultural, biological or economic productivity of land. If the agricultural productivity or biological productivity or the economic productivity is decreasing of a land, it is called as land degradation. How it happens? You will do what you will do. Instead of growing one crop in a season, you will grow 3 crops. That is what happened in Punjab. They have started growing 3 crops. They did over irrigation, and what has happened? That lot of area has become saline. Where they were growing crops, because of over irrigation, they got some, the land becomes saline. So slowly and slowly they have to abandon that. So salinity starts taking place. Similarly, in many areas, water logging starts to take place if you are doing irrigation. So because of the population, poverty, and the aspiration of people to lead a better life, you need more money. If an agriculturist needs more money, what he will do? He will put, instead of 1 crop in a year, he will put 2 crops, 3 crops. But he doesn't have that much money to really put nutrients and then they take the appropriate measure so that the degradation does not take place. So because these are all called as the underlying driving forces. And the 4th one is the migration. You know what happens? You must have heard many areas. People are migrating from rural areas to urban areas. Why they are migrating? Because the land which was providing them food, providing them financial income, it has degraded. They are not getting that much income. And a stage comes when they are not